Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can upload high quality photos to your Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all, we can open our Instagram profile. So we can tap on this profile button. Then after your Instagram profile has been opened, you can tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of your screen. Then you're going to select settings and privacy, and you can scroll down until you find the data usage and media quality. It's over here. Tap on the setting. Then if you want to upload your photos at highest quality, you can activate this feature, upload at highest quality. Tap on the circle button to activate it, and right after you activate this feature, you'll be able to upload your photos at highest quality to your Instagram. And I guess that's how we can upload high quality photos on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.